With this question, we've been asked to solve the linear equation 4x minus 3 is equal to 17. So I'll rewrite it, just like that. Now the first thing I should recognise is it's x that I'm after. So that means I have to move all the other pieces of information away. And I'll start with the minus 3, and I'll just add 3 to both sides. Now that leaves me with 4x is equal to 20. Now using the same logic here, if I divide both sides by 4, it'll leave x by itself. So you get x on the left-hand side, and it's equal to 20 divided by 4, which is 5. Now you can actually check if that's the correct answer, which is a nice part about this topic. Let's substitute in x equals 5 into our original equation, just like that. And I want to see if it makes sense. So 4 times 5 is 20, minus 3 is 17. Yes, that's correct, so I've got the right answer. Okay, let's come over the page and have a look at the next question. I've got 7 minus 2x is equal to 18. Well, to start off with, I'm going to rewrite it. So I've got the x's first, and I've got to make sure that the negative goes with the x's. So you get that. Now, let's subtract 7 off both sides. And the reason I'm going to do that is it will cancel out the plus 7. So you get negative 2x is equal to 11. I'll write that down. And if I divide both sides by negative 2, it'll leave x by itself. So let's do that as well. So negative 2, negative 2. And you get a final answer of x is equal to 11 over negative 2, or negative 11 on 2. Now you can work out what that is. It's just a matter of saying negative 11 divided by 2, and you get an answer of x is equal to negative 5.5. Nice and straightforward. Then the last example is in this format. So again, let's rewrite it to give ourselves a bit more space. Now, I'm going to get rid of the plus 2 first here. That was the last thing that happened in making this equation, so let's make it the first thing in solving the equation. And I just subtracted 2 off both sides. So you get x over 3 is equal to 7. And the last step here is just to get x by itself, I need to multiply by 3 on both sides, and that will get rid of the over 3. So x is equal to 7 times 3, or 21.